Hello, this video is unboxing and first impressions of the Lumos bike helmet with built-in indicators, brake lights and headlights. So let's get the boxes open and see what's inside. Well, the boxes are very nicely taped down and inside it's a very snug fit is the helmet box itself. So I'm going to have to put this down to get it out. And here's the box that had to be tipped out upside down. There we have it. What else is there on the side? Bright lights to stand out on the road. Be predictable. So you've got indicators, intuitive controls that mount on the handlebars. Warn rear traffic, so it has a G sensor in that lets people know when you're braking, and it has a built-in rechargeable battery and smartphone notifications. So there you go, and it meets all of the various crash protection ratings. Right, let's get the box open. Now the packaging is really great actually, it's very well done. I've ordered extra remotes and mounts, so they've included them inside the box as there is room, but this pull-out card here that's fitted inside the box contains the ones that normally come with the helmet, and it also has a helmet bag to keep it dry in wet weather or to carry it around in. So all in all, it's a reasonably comprehensive package. And the helmet itself, well, there's the black one. So it's a modern helmet design with very large lights on the rear and the U-shaped light on the front. Now, as with all rechargeable batteries, what you should do is give it a good charge before you start using it. And here's the charging plug. It's a magnetic charging plug on one end and a normal USB on the other. And you simply attach it, and as you can see, a red light comes on and the unit starts charging. Now also here we have one of the go on the handlebar remote mounts, and you just touch the indicator buttons to indicate and it will do so, and then you press the same button again to cancel. Whoops, press the same button again to cancel. Very simple, and once you've paired the controllers with the helmet, it should do what it's asked to. Now I'm going to turn this on, which you should never do with a new battery until it's fully charged. Will it come on while charging? No. So let's unplug it and turn it on, and straight away you get the illuminated triangle on the back. Now there are various different modes. You can have it flash, and you can have it flash faster, and it also has a front light. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Now this is full daylight in here with the sun shining and the lights on, so it's actually reasonably bright. And again, and it will go back to being on. And let's see if it will automatically be paired. Yes, it does. So you've got your indicators. I mean, that's fantastic. That really is great. It's going to let people behind you know exactly what you're up to. There's the right-hand indicator. And from the side as well, it's very good. It'll let people view from the side very clearly. I mean, look at that. That's fantastic. And your fronts indicate too. And then press the button again to cancel and go back to normal lights. I mean, that is a real safety device, a really good safety device, and I can't simulate, I don't think, braking on this. So you'll just have to trust the G sensor in there to notice when you're braking, and if you look carefully you can see there are two sets of LEDs, and I'd imagine these will all light up and it'll be much brighter when you're braking. So that is a very, very visible piece of safety equipment for your bike. Now this was bought off Kickstarter, and it was only a few pounds more than a normal bike helmet, really, a good quality bike helmet. So well worth having, I think. If you do a lot of night riding, this is a very important safety device. You don't need to carry extra lights with you. If you forget your lights, you've got some on the helmet, and it gives you braking and indicating, which you don't normally have, to inform other motorists as to what you're doing on the road. So that is a fantastic safety tool, in my opinion. Fit-wise, it was very comfortable on the head. They spent a lot of time getting these right. and you've got a nice protruding rear section here to protect you if you fall over backwards. Very, very nicely made product, better than a lot of other helmets I've used, such as Bell and all the cheapy ones from Lidl and Aldi that they do in their special offers. They're okay, but they're not nearly as well finished as this. A very, very good product in my opinion. So if you want to get one of these, they were on Kickstarter. The company is called Lumos. There's the logo there. And really nice product.